There's a dark warm feeling in the way it was between me and you right there. There's a lot to see. When the brain feels the same, you gotta complain, you gotta say. Let's
Next dates on the Northeast, Arunachal, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya.
Going in the deep side and out, living my life, getting that dream. I'ma do just what I want, looking ahead, no turning back. People told me slow my road. I'm screaming out, fuck that. I'm screaming out, fuck that. I'm screaming out, fuck that, fuck that, fuck that, fuck that, fuck that. Everything is shining, all is gonna be gold.
So there they are, ladies and gentlemen, in a celebratory mood, the athletes of the Northeast Olympic Games 2022. A big thank you to all the athletes and the officials for doing such a wonderful job.
Wafanyi bakal mekhlea kale bha ba kale ka Olympic je khamtam ka athli ye jidao thai bakal mekhlea
Ladies and gentlemen, although we have come to the end of our journey in this edition of the Games, the night is still young and we still have a number of acts all ready to bowl you over with their talents. So please, put your hands together for this tremendous powerhouse who will get you up on your feet and dancing. Ladies and gentlemen, Nakam Maddox
medal total of 40. Omtang miya medal performance kalong kaba itanat na magala penisya bang idon ka talent. Kaba ginata.
Good evening, Northeast.
Sarkar pemerintah kuno banginya groom ini kena.
Hi guys, having fun.
Bagkantiyo si perang ampo nga si bet untuk si bet.
Song that
Pingin dah sana ha kalau kita long usok apa
is one of the biggest
Olympic
Olympic songs.
way ngidon galat bagkiyo nara kumbala sarkar kala yalam sa sport dunia Islam ikirmen kadang ya ceprang ngadi jing tray ba way so akapo jonga jong pingin i atau national champion nangkong dan international champion.
Okay. Good night, thank you.